After another week of endless rushing and trying to fit everything we can into our busy lives, it's wonderful to be able to get out of the city on a weekend to get into nature, forget about the stresses and strains and everything we have to do. Finally, it's time to do something we want to do. That's why we chose to spend our Sunday taking a hike, this time from Banyalbufar in the beautiful Sierra de Tramuntana mountains on a route known as the Volta des General. Banyalbufar is about 40 minutes outside of Palma on some amazing roads, which will just make you want to explore more of this incredible part of Mallorca. The Volta des General runs for about 5 kilometres to the small fishing village of Port des Canonge. It's an out and back trail, so 10 kilometres overall, so you could of course start at the other end if you preferred. The path as a whole is easily accessible for all abilities, with just a few parts close to the Port des Canonge end where a bit more sure-footedness is required. But overall it's an easy hike and there were plenty of families with small children along the way.